2 Timothy 4 verse 3 and 4. For the time will come when they will not endure sound doctrine, but after their own lusts shall they heap to themselves teachers having itching ears. Right, so this is one of the reasons why people are always under the influence of the false message. And the reason why these people are pursuing a false message is they have given access to the desires of the flesh. And any message that inspires the flesh, they will pursue it at any cost. So this will yield to being under the influence of a false message always. So you are going to see that once you shut down the desires of the flesh, it automatically triggers your spirit and gives your spirit an access now and dominion to control everything in your life. And once you do that, uchaona kuti ma-message anechekuita neku-inspire nyama uchatanga kuavenga, even though you haven't yet met the true man of God. Once you shut down the desires of the flesh, uchandoona kuti the spirit will take over. You see now, zvangoitika izvozvo uchaona kuti ma-message ese anechekuita nezvinhu zvenyama uchatanga kuavenga. Why? Because the spirit is now in total control. And this has given these false ministers access and dominion and total control over many people's lives, because they've rejected the true message of God. And my false ministers anoziva zvamunoda anoziva zvinodiwa zvamunoda kunzwa, anozviziva. And that's the reason why you are always under their deception. Right, what does the scripture say? The scripture says, for the time will come when they will not endure sound doctrine. You see, when that time comes, and the time is now, people will not endure the sound doctrine. And this is the reason why you are always under the influence of a false doctrine. Why? Because you don't have now an opportunity to endure sound doctrine. But after their own lusts shall they heap to themselves teachers having itching ears. Right. And they shall turn, verse 4, they shall turn away their ears from the truth, and shall be turned into fables. Mnodangano. You see, hanzi vachadzvenga chokwadi vagofarira kunzwa zvengano. You see, ma-false ministers izvozvo ndo zvavanotoda. Vakangoona vanhu vakadaro chete, enda vanotozviziva kuti vakawanda ndo zvavanoda izvi, vakawanda vanoda ngano. Saka anongouya introduce ngano, imi motofila comfortable. Well, kana muchinzwa ngano, that's not the doctrine of Jesus Christ. Harisi shoko raMwari. Thank you.